Hi everyone, Rene with whyamigreening.com, and the reason I am aiming this phone at the light, and yes, it's giving shadow in my face, is to try to show you my one seed challenge, how it's doing, which was the Moscow tomato I planted, and it's right behind me. And you can see I'm standing up, and I'm 5'10", and it's towering above me. That was my one seed challenge Moscow tomato. It's actually, you can see how big that is there. I just have a hard time to get the whole thing in there. It is now May 5th, and it's still too early to even put these plants outside yet. And you can see how big they're growing. I've got 1, 2, 3 of them. That are over 6 feet tall, and the others are all about 5 feet tall already. And you can see, looking at all this jungle in here, and I'm actually going to get them out today because I built a makeshift greenhouse outdoors, and I will go ahead and show you that as well. Mentioned I had to get those plants outside, so I didn't have time to make a greenhouse because I need to get them out soon. But I did have a porch swing. Because you can see over there on the bottom of that pile of objects is my seats. And this here, you can see the roof is the umbrella or the canopy of my porch swing, which is now a greenhouse. So I should have titled this my 1 hour greenhouse. So come on over, and all I did was put some racks on the side over there so I can actually have a place to put some of my pepper plants. And I have some other racks here. I'm going to put some wire trays there on top, and I should have room. See the canopy up here? I should have room to have all my tomatoes in here so they can get hardened for the next week or two, so I can take the tarp off and they can stay outside. And the only problem with this is this bar is right at about 5.5 feet, and I keep on banging my head on it. I walk by and barrel, barrel, sounds like a bell. There's that hollow sound. So that's what I've been working on. I'll try to give you a better view of it. My 1 hour greenhouse. I just took a big roll of plastic, 6 mil plastic that I got from Home Depot, and threw it over and stapled it to some 2x4s on the bottom. You can see to make a ridge over there, and a ridge in the front, and another ridge on the other side and in the back. And with this plastic here, I'm going to be unrolling that and making another door. I'm going to cut the front, a big hole in the front, so I can get into a big door, and I'm going to have the top taped on the top coming down the front, so I can kind of just flip it up over the top, and I can get sun for maybe about an hour or two each day and air the place out if I need to. So I just wanted to show you everything we had here, and as you can see, there's my jungle, which is going to be going outdoors. Hope you enjoyed seeing our update on May 6th, 2020. Again, it's not even warm enough to be outside permanently. That's why we built the quick 1 hour greenhouse. So I hope you're doing great with your gardens. And remember, if you're not growing, you're not green. Bye-bye now.